Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a shrimp saute with cherry cream sauce. It's gonna have bacon, pimentos, green onions, and you're gonna love it. It is so good. And if you don't like shrimp, you can use chicken. So if you'd like to watch me make the shrimp saute with cherry cream sauce, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I have. I have some bechamel that I made, some cherry, Fontina cheese, garlic, roasted red peppers that I cut up, or you can buy pimentos, bacon that I cooked, some green onions. This is like a Ritz cracker mixture with Parmesan and parsley, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, into it. This is going to go on top after it's all cooked, and then we're going to just brown it, and it makes it just taste really, really good. So all you do is just mix that up and have that ready. And then this is the shrimp, and I'm just gonna salt and pepper it, and then I'm gonna show you how to cook it.
Okay, so we're gonna make the bechamel first and get that all done. This is a 1/4 stick of butter and a 1/4 cup of flour. So I melt the butter, and then I put the flour in, and I just wanna stir it constantly until it just turns a golden kind of color. You just want to cook the flour taste out, and then add 2 to 3 cups of milk. If you want your sauce to be really thick, only add 2 cups, but I wanted mine to be a little less thick. Then I've got a dash of cayenne and a dash of nutmeg, and you just cook this until it gets thick, and then that is it. Your bechamel is done, and that's basically your base sauce. You can add cheese to it and all your flavorings. So now we're going to cook the shrimp. Okay, so that's about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to put my garlic in. I guess I need a little more oil. And then I'm going to put my bacon in. It's already been cooked and diced, but I just want to heat it back up. Now I'm just going to lay my shrimp on top of that, and then I'm going to salt and pepper them. And you just want to cook your shrimp until they start getting pink, and you'll see them kind of getting pink on the bottom, and then you turn them over and just let them get pink again. It doesn't take them very long to cook, so you don't want to overcook them. And you are going to be putting some liquids in this too. So now I'm going to put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sherry in my very hot pan and reduce that down for a couple minutes. Now I'm just adding my pimentos and about 2 cups of bechamel, and then I'm going to put my Fontina cheese that I grated. This is the most delicious cheese. And then my green onions, and all I'm going to do now is just stir it together. Adjust your salt, and then you are going to put this over pasta, and then put your cracker crumb mixture on top of it, and then place it in the oven on broil just until it's brown, so watch it really close.
Okay, we are all done with our shrimp saute with cherry cream sauce. It is delicious, and like I said, you can do it with chicken if you don't like shrimp. It'll be just as delicious. So with just a little bit of prep, it's a really fast meal. It comes together really fast. So please try this recipe. You're not going to be disappointed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.